Very good morning. Myself Rakesh Yadav, representing Sandipani Higher Secondary School, Rajoda, and we are discussing our maths topic, chapter 5th it is, of class 11, and we are proceeding our exercise 5.1 related to complex numbers and quadratic equations. So here the topic is find the multiplicative inverse of each of the given complex numbers. अब जो हम कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स लेंगे उनके मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स हमको निकालना है. वी हैव टू फाइंड द मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स ऑफ द गिवन कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स. सो इन क्वेश्चन 11th द कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर इज 4 - 3i. सो इन सॉल्यूशन मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स of 4 - 3i is 1/4 - 3i. So this is not in a rationalized form. ये इसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स होता है. इसके दो तरीके होते हैं. एक तो आप मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स अगर निकालना चाहते हैं तो 4 - 3i का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स 1/4 - 3i लिख करके यू विल हैव टू रेशनलाइज इट. आपको इसको बाद में रेशनलाइज करना होगा, जो कि मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. 1/4 - 3i इंटू 4 + 3i अपॉन 4 + 3i. तो देन व्हाट विल बी द रिजल्ट? इट विल बी 4 + 3i अपॉन स्क्वायर ऑफ 4 माइनस स्क्वायर ऑफ 3i. देन इट विल बिकम 4 + 3i अपॉन 16 - 9i square. That will be equal to, here we applied one formula, that is a minus b into a plus b will be a square minus b square. So here it is a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. That's why in place of a 4 is there and in place of b 3i will be there. So we have squared it. So square of 4 is 16, square of 3i is 9i square. So now what we have to do? We have to solve this particular part by putting value of I square, which is -1. So on further solution this will become 4 + 3i upon 16 + 9, because I square is equal to -1. So that minus and this minus will become plus. So what will be the result? 4 + 3i upon 25. So you may write 4 upon 25 plus 3 upon 25i. This is the multiplicative inverse of 4 - 3i. Means what we have to do? We have to multiplicative inverse. What is the definition of multiplicative inverse? जिसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देने के बाद में रिजल्ट 1 आ जाता है. तो अगर इसमें मैं इसको मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो रिजल्ट क्या आएगा? 1 आएगा. तो ये मैं इसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स होता है, लेकिन चूंकि किसी भी कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर के लिए ये नेसेसरी होता है कि उसके डिनोमिनेटर में कोई इमेजिनरी क्वांटिटी न हो. सो फॉर दैट वी हैव रेशनलाइज्ड इट. यहाँ पर हमको लिखना पड़ेगा ऑन रेशनलाइजिंग. तो रेशनलाइजिंग कैसे करते हैं हम? इसके लिए हम अपोजिट साइन लेकर के, जो बीच वाला साइन है इसका अपोजिट साइन लेकर के इसको मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करते हैं. वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई इट एंड डिवाइड इट बाय दैट पर्टिकुलर क्वांटिटी विच इज नॉट हैविंग दिस पर्टिकुलर साइन मीन्स अपोजिट साइन ऑफ दिस. सो माइनस इज देयर, सो वी हैव टेकन प्लस देयर एंड मल्टीप्लाइड इट एंड डिवाइडेड बाय दिस क्वांटिटी and then rationalized it. So final answer will be this. So it is the multiplicative inverse of 4 - 3i. This question number 11th is over. Now see question 12. Here we have to find the multiplicative inverse of √5 + 3i. So in solution multiplicative inverse of √5 + 3i is 1/√5 √5 + 3i. 1/√5 + 3i. Now what we have to do? We have to rationalize it. So 1 upon root 5 plus 3i into root 5 minus 3i upon root 5 minus 3i on rationalizing the denominator. So now it will become root 5 minus 3i, and in denominator a plus b into a minus b will be a square minus b square. So we may write a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So now root 5 minus 3i upon square of root 5 will be 5 here, and square of 3 is 9 and square of I is I square. So it will be 9i square. As you know very well that value of I square is what? It is minus 1. So on further solution we will get this root 5 minus 3i upon 5 plus 9, because I square is equal to minus 1. So now this will become root 5 minus 3i upon 9 plus 5 is 14. Now we may separate it. Why we are doing so? Because we want to express it in the form of a plus ib. So it will be root 5 upon 14 minus 3 upon 14i. So this is only our final answer, which is known as multiplicative inverse of the given quantity, which is root 5 plus 3i. So this question number 12 is also now over. Now see question 13, it is minus I. We have to find the multiplicative inverse of minus I here. So in solution, multiplicative inverse of minus I is equal to minus 1 upon I. So on rationalizing the denominator, this will become minus 1 upon I into I upon I. So now this will become minus I upon I square. So it will be minus I upon minus 1. Why is it so? Because I square value is equal to minus 1. What we have done? First of all, we have made it reciprocal of this particular complex number, and then this reciprocal is rationalized. So I is multiplied therefore here. So minus 1 into I is minus I, and I into I will be I square. The value of I square is minus 1. So this minus and this minus will be cancelled. So finally what is our answer? I is our answer. This is only the conclusion for multiplicative inverse of minus I. So this question 13th is over. Now see our question 14th, which is last question of this exercise. Express the following expression in the form of a plus ib. The question is 3 plus root 5i in first bracket, and in second bracket it is 3 minus root 5i. So these two terms are complex numbers and multiplication is there, because here there is no sign in between. And now here in denominator root 3 plus root 2i minus in another bracket root 3 minus root 2i. So first of all we have to solve this this numerator part. It is a plus b into a minus b, which can be written as a square minus b square. Here the applied formula is a square minus b square. Why is it so? Because it is a plus b and this one is a minus b. And in denominator we have to open this complete bracket. So it will be root 3 plus root 2i minus root 3, and then minus into minus will be plus root 2i. So now what will be cancelled here? This root 3 and this root 3 will be cancelled because it is having positive sign. This one is having negative sign. And here we have to mention which formula we have applied here. So it will be a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. And let me tell you what is the value of a here. The value of a is 3 and value of b is root 5i. So now on doing further solution, we will get 3 square, that is 9, and minus root 5 square is 5 and I square is I square. So it will be 5i square upon root 2i plus root 2i, means it will be 2 root 2i. Now value of I square is minus 1. So we may write now 9 plus 5 here in numerator, and in denominator it is 2 root 2i. And here we have to mention value of I square, which is minus 1. As I have explained you in the starting, why value of I square is minus 1. So now 9 plus 5 is 14. So it will be 14 upon 2 root 2i. Now this 14 will be cancelled by the table of 2. So 2 7s are 14. So now this will become 7 upon root 2i. Now here the mistake is possible. Which type of mistake? That you may leave this question here only. But what is asked in our question? That express the following expression in the form of a plus ib. So what we have to do? We have to rationalize it first of all. So for rationalizing, we have to multiply it by I, and then you may multiply it by root 2i only directly, root 2i, and then divide it also by root 2i. So what it will become? Now it will become 7 root 2i. Why we have multiplied it by root 2i? Because we don't want any root quantity in denominator also, and we don't want any imaginary quantity also in the denominator. That's why we have multiplied it by root 2i and divided it by root 2i. So now it will be 7 root 2i upon root 2 into root 2 will be 2, and I into I will be I square. So it will be 2i square. Now lastly, what will happen? It will become 7 root 2i upon minus 2, because I square value is equal to minus 1. Now what is our need? What is the need of our question? That we have to express it in the form of a plus ib. So here we have to write 0 minus 7 root 2 upon 2i, because here real number is 0, only imaginary number is given according to the solution. So we may mention here where a is equal to 0 and b is equal to minus 7 root 2 upon 2, and we may express the answer here only. This is the conclusion. It may be possible that they have not rationalized the denominator's root 2 part. They may be mentioned this in the form of root 2 only. So this is the final answer for our question number 14th. Now this question 14th is now finished.